Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's another open house video of a Courtyard Villa. It is a block and stucco home, 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom with a swimming pool. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends. Thank you for subscribing and liking my videos. Today's another open house video. It is a block and stucco home. It has a swimming pool underneath that large bird cage. It is on a corner lot. Very nice. Lots of landscaping. First thing I notice is it does have a concrete driveway and a 1.5 car garage. As always, friends, please contact the listing real estate agent. If you have any questions about this home, you can contact Paige Booth at Realty Executives. Let's go inside and take a look at this beautiful home. There's a lot of upgrades that have occurred on this home. This is the landscaping on the corner lot. It's awesome. It is a block and stucco home. Let's go inside and take a look at this home. Here we are in the foyer area. Hello, Paige. How are you?
Hi, welcome. Hey, Tim. How you doing?
I'm doing great.
Great. Come on in.
Do you want to describe a little bit about the house, size, and bedrooms and all of that?
Sure. So this is a 2-2 courtyard villa, and it sits on a corner lot, and the neighborhood is directly across from Tierra del Sol, so super convenient to an amazing country club with a great lifestyle. They even have a theater that performs there quite often. So, but this is truly an outdoor paradise for someone that loves Florida and all that it has to offer. Gorgeous pool, saltwater with solar heat, and the homeowner has meticulously maintained this yard. It has little hidden treasures throughout the property, so it's definitely worth looking around.
Okay, very good. I'll take a walk around. I'll describe what I see, and then later on I will take a walk outside to the swimming pool area.
Great.
But for right now, I'm in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice are these beautiful ceramic tile floors. Leading off into the kitchen does have solid surface countertops. Beautiful cabinetry in this kitchen. It is light and bright. It does have an electric range and stainless appliances. That's very nice, very awesome. Let's pan around and take a look. It does have a tile backsplash as well. It has a glass door on the pantry. It does have acoustic texture on the ceilings. This is looking from the kitchen into the living space. Let's take a walk. In the living area, you do have laminate wood floors. You have a dining area right there and a living room. Very beautiful, very high ceilings as well. Off to the left, we have the swimming pool area. Let's take a walk out and look at that gorgeous swimming pool. This is a saltwater swimming pool. Very nice. It's in a very large bird cage as well. This is a very large area. You can do a lot of entertaining with this home. It does have a water feature right there as well. This is located in the northern part of the villages. It is right next to Tierra del Sol Country Club, which has been newly renovated. And the food there is very awesome. Let's take a walk back inside the home. This room here appears to be a den area with the wood laminate floors. From what I understand, they opened up the wall there and they made this area a den. Very nice. It feels very spacious. This home is listed at $420,000. The bond is paid on this home as well. Off to the left, you will see a guest bathroom. It does have the wood laminate floors continuing in the guest bathroom. Has one sink, very high ceilings. It does have a solar tube up there as well. Let's see what the tub and shower looks like. Okay, it does have a tub and shower. It does look like it is. It is fiberglass or plastic. Very beautifully decorated home. That is an awesome light fixture right there above the vanity. Let's take a walk off into the patio area. It is a temperature controlled lanai with really gorgeous tile floors. That sliding glass door will lead off into the master bedroom. Very open, nice and light and bright in this area. We'll take a walk into the master bedroom. The wood laminate floors continue. To give you perspective, that is a king-size bed. It has adequate space on either side of the bed. That is a very large window. Very high ceilings with the acoustic texture on it. You can see that this bedroom has access to the lanai right there. Very nice. Here is the master bathroom. The wood laminate floors continue in the master bathroom. It has one sink, very high ceilings. Let's take a walk, take a closer look into this master bathroom. It does have a commode. The shower does have sliding glass doors. It does appear to be a plastic or fiberglass shower. I believe it is a 36-inch shower, just to give you perspective, the size of that shower. Very nice, very beautifully decorated home. Let's take a walk from the master bedroom out into the temperature-controlled lanai. This backyard is gorgeous, very private. This is a Courtyard Villa. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. Panning off to the left. This is the back of the home. This would be facing north. Let's take a walk. This is a block and stucco home. Lots of landscaping, and it is a saltwater pool right there. Very large bird cage. Lots of decoration, lots of mature landscaping. Lots of area you can entertain guests with. This is the side of the home. This would be facing south. That's a she shed. Anybody interested in doing arts and crafts? There's your air conditioning unit. That sliding glass door leads into the living and dining room area. Very nice home. Lots of mature landscaping in this home. All right, so I think we pretty much finished the tour of this home. The garage does have things in it. I will not video the garage. It is a pretty standard 1.5 car garage. Give you one last panoramic view of the kitchen area. Those cabinets are awesome. Very nice.
Did you see the glass door in the pantry?
Yes, I did mention the glass door in the pantry. It's very cool. Give you another perspective of the living and dining area. That is your den right there. Very beautiful home, very high ceilings, very open and spacious. Next I will walk out to the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. I know a lot of my subscribers want to know what direction this home is. That is the door that leads to the garage. It does have an in-home entertainment system as well, right there. Let's take a walk out to the street. This is the front patio area leading out into the street. This is a very nice home. It's on a quiet lot. It's also a corner lot. Tierra del Sol Country Club is right beyond those homes right over there. One of the nicer country clubs that's been newly renovated. Here we're walking out to the street. I'm going to pan this way. That way would be facing east, northeast, and this would be facing west. That is your home right there. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom Courtyard Villa located at 850 Oviedo Road here in the Villages, Florida. It is priced at $420,000. 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for watching my open house video located here in the northern part of the Villages. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom Courtyard Villa. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. Have a great day, everybody.